My name is Beat Furrer. I'm a helicopter test pilot at RUAG and an operational pilot in the Swiss Air Force. I have an experience of about 6,500 flight hours. Already as a little boy, I was fascinated by airplanes and especially helicopters and their technology. I am very lucky and was able to turn my dream of becoming a pilot into reality. In my career so far, I have seen a wide variety of simulators, from simple FNPT to modern full flight simulators. Now I'm curious what to expect in the VRM Switzerland simulator. I try to switch off and on the nav lights. The switches can be reached precisely with the avatar, and there is a tactile feedback. It doesn't feel that virtual at all. This is remarkable. The visual cues are such that I don't have to adapt my scanning to the simulator. I can use my references as in a real helicopter. This is not always the case in simulators. Flying through fog banks looks very realistic. It really looks real. You can feel every touch of the skids with the ground. The technique for slope landings can be practiced well. The helicopter can be easily hovered even in exposed places. There is no tendency to get into pilot-induced oscillation. Jetzt bin ich drauf. Characteristical turbulences on the leeward side of hills is a typical phenomenon in mountain flying. Now it feels like you are in the middle of it. The approach which VRM Switzerland is using is very interesting. With VR goggles you can reach almost a field of regard like you have in a real helicopter. The visualization of the outside world is close to reality and provides very good visual cues. The motion also looks well tuned. Motion sickness has not come up. Furthermore, the operation of the cockpit elements using his own avatar works surprisingly well. I experienced a very real feeling of flying and see great potential in this concept.